This is a nuclear sclerosis grade 2, grade 3 actually, with a PSC, and I am going to just demonstrate how by accident I just went about operating this case just under the Omniglow. That is, I did not switch on the microscope light. So after making my incisions and putting my putting the HPMC within the chamber, I go ahead and initiate starting my rexus with the bent 26 gauge needle. And here, see, I put on the microscope light. I really can't see much difference, except that yes, there is a bit more illumination, no doubt about that. But other than that, there's not so much of a difference. And now I put it off. Yes, the illumination has gone down. It's just now only the Omniglow in play. And I am going to go ahead with this surgery just under the Omniglow, and I haven't turned on the microscope at all. So all the steps, and most of it is unedited, will be just performed under the Omniglow to show what a beautiful invention this is. So there you can see the hydrodissection. I decompress, put in some HPMC, and then I'm good to go. I've taken my dialer in my left hand as a chopper and my 2.8 phaco tip in my right hand, just aspirating some superficial cortex. I plan to do the direct chop, as you would have guessed. And I'm having absolutely no problem. This is a bit of a soft cataract. Other than that, nothing great. The first chop, yes, I agree, could have been better. I rotated 180 degrees. This is a soft, small nucleus, so it is going to be difficult to chop in any situation. But I am able to visualize well. I am able to perceive everything really well. And that's a beautiful chop. I can see the red reflex well. After the chop has been propagated, I rotate it. Going to make one more chop. That's it. I take out that segment. Going to target the other segments as well. And you can see this is almost an unedited video. So I am having absolutely no problem at all just working with the Omniglow. And the microscope light has been switched off. And this has a huge advantage. So in the event something happens to your microscope and the light doesn't come on, whether electronically or whether the bulb problem, you can happily just work with the Omniglow, if you have one obviously. And here is the cortical aspiration. See how easy it is to visualize and remove. I can see the capsular rexus edge. I can see that those fibers in the fornix. I can see the cortex stuck onto the posterior capsule. Everything well visualized. And finally I go ahead and even polish the posterior capsule. Absolutely no problem. The whole point of this video is just to show how useful that Omniglow is. And now under hydroimplantation, I'm injecting this single piece hydrophobic IOL directly into the bag. That's it, it's gone directly into the bag. The whole point of the video is to show that the Omniglow by itself works very well for the whole surgery, and I'm not trying to show anything in this surgically as such in this video, just it's about the Omniglow. I finally conclude the surgery with hydrating the wounds, putting in my intracameral antibiotic, and concluding, and you can draw your own conclusions. Thank you so much.